In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch to military time on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and here, as you can see, now it displays me 1 p.m. and basically military time is designed to not confuse 1 p.m. and 1 a.m. So once we switch to military time, instead of 1 p.m., it will show us 13 o'clock. Let's get started, and now I'm gonna show you how we can easily switch it. So guys, first off we need to head over to settings. After that, go to general, and that's where we can easily find date and time here. Basically, guys, military time is also known as 24-hour time. That's where we can easily find it, and by toggling on that switcher we can easily activate it. And now you can see what changes once I activate 24-hour or military time on an iPhone. So that's how it can be easily done. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.